Hello, my name is Warren Turner. I'm the Director of Sales for SloanLED's North American Lighting Division. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this product launch presentation for our new Symphony Series Architectural Floodlights. Symphony is SloanLED's new portfolio of architectural exterior products, and the Floodlight series is the first group of products in that portfolio. Stay tuned for additional additions to the Symphony line in the months to come. Let's start our review using the specification sheet to guide us through the key details of the series. First, you will notice that the Symphony spec sheet represents a new format, positioning the most relevant information all on the first page. The top header of the spec sheet answers some of the typical questions you may have about the product. First, the product warranty. In this case, that warranty is 10 years. Next, the IP rating. In this case, the fixture is IP65 and is rated for wet locations. And then you have the DLC logo showing that this product is DLC Premium. Directly below the top header are the luminaire's key features. I've called out a few of these to the left. The fixture has a PC-injected UV-stabilized high-impact lens, and the gaskets are one-piece extruded vulcanized silicone, and that design allows us for direct upward aiming with no fear of water intrusion. Surge protection is available up to 20 kV. I'll cover that a bit more later. And the calculated life is 150,000 hours. The available finishes are black, bronze, silver, white, and custom finishes are also available. The series has 3 physical sizes and 5 wattage. The medium size is 70 watt. The large form is 100 and 150 watt, and the large form is 200 to 240 watts. The luminaire has 5 lumen packages. The 70 watt fixture is 9200 lumens. The 100 watt fixture is 12,900. The 150 is 20,000. For the 200 watt, the lumen output is 27,400, and the 240 watt fixture is 29,500 lumens. These are all based on a CCT of 5,000. Additionally, on performance, distributions are 5x4, 5x5, and 7x6. Available CCTs are 3,000, 4,000, and 5,000 K, and we covered the 150,000 calculated life and IP65 rating earlier. As far as the electrical ratings, the series is available in both 120 to 277 volt and 347 to 480 volt configurations, and 0 to 10 volt dimming is standard. For surge protection, both the medium and large sizes are standard with 4 kV with an option for 10 kV. For the extra large, the standard surge protection is 6 kV with an optional 20 kV protection. If your specification or project requires a different surge protection, please reach out to any of us at SloanLED to review your needs. The mounting for the Symphony series are ordered, priced, and shipped separately. 3 options are currently available. A slip fitter mount for 2 3/8 tenon. The slip fitter is adjustable and is also indexed to allow for simple and consistent aiming. The slip fitter mount is only available on the large and extra large forms. Next is the knuckle mount. The knuckle mount is also indexed and is available for the medium size only. Last, we have the yoke mount. This is available for all 3 forms and has 9 indexing holes that allow the fixture to be aimed, then locked in place to prevent movement and loss of aiming. For accessories, there are 3 options: a wire guard, top visor, and bottom visor. Each of these are ordered separate and shipped separately, and each of these accessories are color keyed to the fixture finish. Moving on to controls. The standard control options for the medium 70 watt fixtures are a button style photo control and a Pir motion sensor. For the large and extra large 100 to 240 watt fixtures, the options are a 7-pin photocell receptacle and a Pir motion sensor. I'll review the Pir motion sensor functions next. The Pir motion sensor ships with 2 sensor lenses. The standard, which is installed on the fixture, is a 1:1 mounting to effective coverage ratio. If the fixture is mounted at 30 feet, the effective coverage diameter is 30 feet. This second lens, for the lower mounting heights, is a 2:1 ratio. So mounting a fixture at 10 feet, the effective coverage area would be 20 feet. The Pir motion sensor has 3 manual settings. You can access these settings by removing the twist lock sensor lens. These settings allow you to adjust the dim levels from 10 to 100% and the time delay from 30 to 30 minutes. There are also 5 mode settings, from A to E, which I'll review. All these settings can also be programmed using the optional handheld remote. The push buttons on the remote directly match the mode, dim, and time settings on the sensor, making it intuitive and simple to use. Let's take a closer look at what the A through E mode settings are. Mode A is also the factory default. In this setting, the luminaire will turn on at dusk to the preset dim level. When motion is sensed, the fixture will ramp up to 100% output. When motion is no longer sensed, and after the set time delay, the luminaire will return to its preset dim level. The fixture will then turn off at dawn. In mode B, the luminaire will turn on to full output at dusk once motion is sensed. After no further motion is sensed, and after the preset time delay, the fixture will dim to the preset dim level. If no additional motion is sensed, the fixture will turn off after an additional 50% of the time delay setting is reached. For an example, if the time delay is set for 30 minutes, after motion is stopped and 30 minutes has passed, the fixture will turn off after an additional 15 minutes. In mode C, the ambient light level portion of the sensor is turned off. The fixture will turn on to full when motion is sensed at any ambient level. After no further motion is sensed, and after the preset time delay, the fixture will dim to the preset dim level. If no additional motion is sensed, the fixture will turn off after an additional 50% of the time delay time setting is reached. In mode D, the fixture turns on to full at dusk and when motion is sensed. The luminaire then turns off after the preset time delay. Mode E is the test mode that allows you to visually test and determine which dim level is best for your application. Setting the timeout to maximum, you can then test the 8 dimming levels and determine which is best for your application. When you turn the timeout to minimum, the fixture will turn off. You need to allow 3 seconds between setting tests. Now let's look at the product number sequence, paying special attention to the controls options. The product number sequence is intuitive. In this case, the SYM-F for Symphony Flood, L100 for large body, 100 watt, UL for universal low voltage, 4K for a CCT of 4000. For options, in this example, a 07 was selected. The note under the 07 option is SPD plus 03. The SPD stands for the high-rated surge protection, in this case, 10 kV. The 03 refers to the control options noted to the left as highlighted here. The 03 represents both the 01 photo control and the 02 motion sensor option. We've made note of the fact that we are increasing domestic production at our Ventura location. I'm happy to announce that the Symphony Flood Series product line is one of those products, and it is built in Ventura. As noted earlier, the official launch of this product is on September 23rd. At that time, all documentation, IES files, etc. will be live on our website. You'll also notice that there is a product identification label located under the lens. There is also a QMR code that will take you to the product information on the website. This will also be active on September 23rd. The standard lead time we're quoting for this series is 4 to 6 weeks, which does include custom finishes. If your requirement is inside of that lead time, please reach out to us and we'll do our very best to accommodate your request. As noted earlier, this series has a 10-year product warranty. I wanted to take this opportunity to remind you about our 2-year Performance Plus warranty. Under this warranty, should any Sloan LED lighting systems product fail in the first 2 years, we will repair or replace the fixture on site completely turnkey. This means we will send our labor along with the necessary materials and equipment to the site to make any necessary repairs. Keep in mind there is no additional cost to you or your customer, just another way that Sloan LED has your back. I wanted to let you know what's up next from Sloan LED. We will soon be releasing our second product in the Symphony series of architectural exterior products, our new wall mount series. Please stay tuned for more details. So once again, I want to thank you for taking the time to review this product launch presentation. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or anyone at Sloan LED. Thanks again, and thanks for your support.